Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can clear all the cache and junk on your Windows. And after you have cleared all the cache and junk, you will see a great difference for the performance of your Windows. So let's go quick into that. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Then type TEMP. Click OK. Now there are a lot of temporary files from here created by your Windows. So simply click on one file and press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. Now hit the delete bin at the top, or you can click the shift and delete keys on your keyboard to permanently delete the items. Click on yes. Check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine because they are used by the programs of your Windows. Close this window. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together again. This time you need to type percentage TEMP percentage. Click on OK. Then again, click on one folder, press Ctrl plus A on keyboard, click on Shift plus Delete key, click on Yes. Check this box, do this for all current items and click on Skip. Not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Next is you need to press again the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Then type prefetch. Click OK. Click on the folder and then hit or press the Shift and Delete key. And then click on Yes. And then close your window. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here in the Disk Cleanup for the Windows C drive, now you have to select all of these boxes or check these boxes one by one. Then click on OK. It will also be stated here for the total amount of disk space that you can gain after you are going to delete these files. Then click on OK. Click on Delete Files and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, finally you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.